Roblox ang zombie apocalypse. You are Mr. Beast. Mr. Roblox zombie apocalypse. Laro na tayo zombies. Sige. Yeah. Daddy!
Terus mo sa'yo.
Daddy, punta muna tayo dun. Kuha ko video natin. Bako muna, upo ko muna. Uy, baksak. Gamutin na kita. Dito pa. Guys, here's my daddy. More Mr. Beast first and Mr. Sir. Who will win? Guys. Tayo na namin dyan eh. Dapat naman patayin tayo ng zombies. Come on, Daddy, fight tayo zombies. Come on. Dito tayo. Daddy! May zombies dyan! Nagawa muna. Ayun ba? May mga sinusipilit. Nabalik ko na makasipilit. Ito, may kutsilyo na kami. Papatayan ka namin ng zombies apocalypse. These are the Mr. Beast and this guy is Mr. Sir. And this is Mr. Beast Felipe. Come on, this fight the zombies. Guys, this is Mr. Tuloy naman ito. My daddy's pistol. It's so loud, bro. What was that? What was that? So loud. Now this is a burst, Mr. The zombies apocalypse. Kakawa ko si Pia Sumira. Kuha mo yung video ko. Okay, so wait. Okay, so hello, who will win, Mr. Base or Mr. Sir? That's me, Mr. Sir. These are all like you need to subscribe. Just subscribe. Just subscribe.